What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Vivo X100 series is finally launched in China, and here are all of the specifications for the version, which is the Vivo X100 Pro. Now apart from the X100 Pro, we also have the Vivo X100 and the X100 Pro Plus. Now in this video we'll be specifically talking about the X100 Pro and the pricing of this, what you can expect in India as well. So first of all, taking a look at its specification, then it does comes with a flagship grade performance and the features, which are first of all talking about the display, then it will be coming with a 6.78 inch of a 1.5K OLED LTPO 8T curved display and a 120Hz of high refresh rate, and the peak brightness is just going insane in this phone at 3000 nits of peak brightness. Now, the Mediatek Dimensity 9300 flagship processor is also present in this phone, and the GPU is from Immortalis G720. Now, if you're still watching this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Apart from that, the phone will also be coming with the LPDDR5X RAM with the UFS 4.0 storage, and the storage option of this phone will be going up to 16 plus 1TB of internal storage with LPDDR5T RAM. Now talking about the LPDDR5T, then it's the more faster version than the LPDDR5X, so it's really good to see in a smartphone, as Mediatek Dimensity is Mediatek's first processor to support this type of RAM support. Phone will also be coming with the Vivo V3 chip for better enhancement in performance, but the phone will also be running on Android 14 out of the box based on Origin OS 4. The phone will also be coming with the new unique set of camera samples, as it will be coming with the 50 megapixel of a Sony IMX989, 50 megapixel of a Samsung JN1 and 64 megapixel of a periscopic camera with and telephoto camera, and it will also be coming with the OIS support and anti-shake Zeiss APO certification as well. The selfie camera of this phone is said to be of 32 megapixel as per the launch event, and it will also be coming with the 5400 milliamp battery, but the charging speeds are going to be fast enough for 100 watts of fast charging. You will also be seeing a wireless charging in this phone for up to 50 watts, and the charger will indeed be included in the box itself. Although the camera of this phone does seems promising, but in India we still have to wait and watch how exactly the pictures are going to be coming from this phone. Apart from that, the phone will also be coming with the IP68 water resistant dual stereo speaker setup with a better X-axis linear motor, IR blaster for remote control, in-display fingerprint scanner and an aluminium frame. The phone will be weighing at around 225 grams, which is indeed a bit heavy, but let's wait and find out what its pricing is. So the Vivo X100 Pro in India is said to be launching it around to be price of 58,000, as in China it has been launched for 5,000 yuan, which converts it to around 58,000 rupees. So in India we can expect this phone to be launching around 58 to 60,000 rupees. Now what do you think about this video? If you like it, then share it. Do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.